everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Carla, also known as LittleFitDevil, and today I just decided to start right with it because I have a lot to show you. Today I am going to be trying on some bottoms from Kepblom, and you guys, these are meant for cosplaying, dancing, aerobics, acrobatics, you name it. In my case, I am just going to be doing a little bit of everything. They have a lot of fun things. I know you're gonna like them. So let's start with this one because I am pleasantly surprised. And let me tell you why. I am a person that likes to wear small bikinis. So I just grabbed my own top, but what I want you guys to focus on is on the bottoms. So I would never go for anything that's like this big, especially go all the way up here. I feel like it's a new trend. However, I didn't feel like it did much for my body. However, if you're trying to be a little bit more modest when you're going to the pool or the beach, and you want to give people a surprise, possibly a heart attack, this one would be a really good one. Let me tell you why. You walk in the beach, right, or the pool, and you just show up, oh, hey everybody, how are you? You're wearing a pretty decent bathing suit. Now, you turn around, and everybody's going to just flip out. Possibly you would get banned from the pool. I mean, how amazing is that, right? Like most of the bathing suit bottoms that I have seen in the past that are like this look like diapers. Now, and sorry for that, but it's the absolute truth. I don't think it does anything for anybody. However, these are insane. They are comfortable. You don't feel like you are just showing off a lot. And also, if you want to go to the beach and you're one of those kinds of people that like to be in the water, that like to swim in the pool and not just like chill, these are perfect because they're not going to move. They're not going to go anywhere. I love it. Look at that. I'm a believer. I am a believer in this one. I'm gonna twirl for you guys. As always, please vote your favorite in the comments. We're going to go through a really crazy roller coaster of bottoms here. I'm going to go big, then I'm gonna go small, big again, small again. You're gonna see it all. We're gonna see what works best. Especially, you know, I have an athletic body. I think this one works for that. So let me know your favorite in the comments. As always, if you like what you're seeing, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, like, and also check me out in social media. Let's try the next one. Okay, guys, you know I do a lot of cosplays on Patreon. You can go ahead and check it out over here. Now, this is where the top comes from, right? It was a Princess Leia sort of cosplay. These are the bottoms from Kepblom that they are, you know, really cool. I actually love the fit, and that's the most important thing for me. All these are a size extra small, for the record. I have a big booty, however, a small waist. So you really need to like figure out what works best for you. A small would have been really big on the waist. So sometimes, you know, the spillage is gonna happen on the back, but it works. Now, this one has a lot more coverage, so check it out. Again, I'm not a person that likes full coverage, but this fits nicely. I mean, again, this is a cosplay style thing. You can probably even wear tights underneath. I think that would be a really cool look. And I will do that with another one of these so that you can see it. But again, this one is really neat, gold. And while I'm at it, let's just try. I told you I was gonna take in a roller coaster of things. There's another gold one here, but I do wanna mention that Kepblom has a lot of different colors. So if you're into cosplay, if you like rave, if you like, you know, going out there and be super bright and loud, there's a lot of colors. So the one that I'm wearing, I also got in this turquoise one, and I got this pink one, but I just wanted to show you one version because otherwise this video would be way too long. But again, check them out because they have all the styles that I'm trying on in many different colors. Now, let's go for the shorts. So if you, let's say, if you're an adult entertainer, how about that? If you're an adult entertainer, you start your set, you know, with something like this, right? And then you take it off and you go smaller, and then you go smaller, and then you go smaller. I think this would work for that. Also, I see these shorts as possibly like a Christmas party style thing. You know, I think they look kind of cool, you know? Okay, I think it's time for the next look. Let's go small again. Let's see what you think about this one. I'm going to do one with the bottoms and a shirt, And then I'm gonna use the same shirt and wear, you know, maybe some leggings or stockings. I'm gonna think about that one. In the meantime, vote for your favorite. Let's go to the next one. Okay, talk about being bright. You guys, as I mentioned, the tops come from my closet. The bottoms is what I'm reviewing today. These are from Kepblom. Now, I went with the silver because, again, I want to give you ideas of, you know, cosplaying, possibly some party wear, some rave wear. I think these would be amazing. So the style is the same as the bikini that I first tried on. Now, as always, it seems like it's modest on the front, then you turn around and people will go boom, drop. Absolutely amazing. You know, the fit is incredible. It is so comfortable. I'm going to do a close-up because this material is soft, but it also has like cracks. I love that. Absolutely love it. Now, really quickly, I have a couple other colors. As I mentioned, these come in all sorts of different colors. So I have a black and a red, and I have some fishnets. So I am going to go ahead, try first the red one. Let's do like a Christmas look, just so that you can see how another color looks. And then I'm going to do the fishnets with the black. I'll keep the top, then we'll move to some different other designs. What do you think? Please let me know your favorite in the comments. Don't forget to press the like button. Okay, here it is, really quickly. Again, think about like a holiday photo shoot. This would be amazing. I love the colors. You know, you can wear some like Christmas decorations in the back, make it go all out there. The fit is incredible, same as the other one. Now, let's just move along and do the black with the fishnets so that you can see a different look, and we'll keep on moving forward. Okay, everybody, again, the top is mine, bottoms from Kepblom. Love the look with the fishnets so much. It's really amazing. Again, think about like cosplaying some villain, possibly a Catwoman look. This one is amazing. The fishnets just make it so cool. Very rock and roll. Again, the sky's the limit when it comes to cosplaying. You know, you can mix and match and put outfits together, whatever works for you. I mean, how cool is that? I mean, I don't think it gets any better in terms of fit, especially if you're looking for something that's kind of modest on the front and really, really cool on the back. Okay, now, last set of bottoms. These ones are booty shorts in pink, and also we have one in black. Oh, actually, never mind, you guys. There's two more styles. One is, I believe, slightly bigger than what I'm wearing right now, and then booty shorts. Actually, I'm not even sure. We'll see how this goes. Okay, not sure what I'm showing you. Just stick around. I was not wrong. So this is the same. It's not the same. Hold on. Same style. So this is, you know, what I just tried on. Very small in the back. Well, this is the same. However, the top of it is much wider. So it goes higher up, both on the back and on the front. So a different style. Again, you know, it really is based on what works best for your body or whatever cosplay you're doing. If you are trying to achieve maybe like a bodysuit style cosplay, so look, I just lower my shirt, now it becomes like a one piece. See? So that's more like cabaret style, you know, pin-uppy. I think this is great. I love it. Both fit really well. I will have a hard time picking my favorite, you guys. I thought maybe the bathing suit was the best one. Now I'm having a really hard time. So please let me know in the comments. Let's try on the very last one and see how this looks. Last but not least, look at these shorts. They give me superhero vibes. And then really epic, you guys. I absolutely love the fit. The low cut gives me Wonder Woman style shorts. I'm sure that you can find the right color. Even in red, it would look really, really cool. You can honestly probably attend a rave with these. I think these are great. They're comfortable. You know, they're not as small in the back. They're more like booty shorts. You can even probably work out in these. I mean, who am I to tell you what to do? But again, I love them. If you're into cosplay, if you're into dressing up, going to the rave, doing photo shoots, you need to check out Kepblom. They fit amazing. They look amazing. Please let me know what your favorite look was in the comments. If you like what I do, go ahead and subscribe, like, and turn on post notifications so that you are ready when I post the next video. I've been posting so frequently, So please stay tuned. You can check out all my playlists. There is a try-on playlist that I'm gonna put the link in the description of this video, but also check out all my other ones. I do reviews of all sorts of products, gift ideas, EDC gear, all sorts of things. I hope you love what I do. I will see you guys soon, and I hope you're having an amazing day.